are just gonna be like, oh, it cheapens the bag. You're not supposed to do that. I'm gonna do what I want, okay? I'm gonna do what I want. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Traylene Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, this is a place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And be sure to follow me on all of my socials at Traylene Danita. Alright guys, I am back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be bringing you a little bit of luxury, a little bit of vintage, a little bit of Chanel. Okay, so if that's something you think you might be interested in, keep on watching. I'm going to be giving you an overall out of style, how I'm going to wear the Chanel Vanity case in the caviar leather. So I do plan to wear this bag a couple of ways. I would like to, you know, try it out as a crossbody, and I know you people out there are just going to be like, oh, it cheapens the bag. You're not supposed to do that. I'm going to do what I want, okay? I'm going to do what I want, and you're going to like it. Anyway, there is the option of putting a strap to this bag. I did find a strap on Amazon that I'm going to show you how I'll transform this vanity case into a crossbody. Okay, so let's try to transform the vanity case into a crossbody bag. I was able to find a kind of Chanel inspired chain or strap on Amazon, and of course I'll link all of the items that I'm mentioning in the video in the description below. So I found this Chanel inspired chain on Amazon, and I was looking for a chain with hooks that kind of sort of look like this. I didn't want a hook that was too small because I didn't want to put too much stress on the bag. Ideally I would put the straps like somewhere here on the bag, but again, this bag is not designed to be worn as a crossbody. We're just remixing it to make it our own, but I do want to be mindful of not trying to damage the bag. So I purchased these D-rings. These are purse D-rings. I purchased this on Amazon as well. It came with the little screw and then the D-rings. So I'm going to attach the D-rings with the strap onto the bag with the hopes that it doesn't create the stress of the strap on the bag. So let's do that. So the D-ring, it looks like this, right? And it has a little screw on the ends. To loosen up the screw, you just take the screwdriver that was with the pack and you unscrew it on the side that you need. This could be a little tedious at first, but once you get your flow, it's super easy. And the screws and the D-rings, they're easy. So after a little bit of muscle, you just unscrew the D-ring like so. Kind of use my hand a little bit to unscrew it a little bit. And you'll see. Hold up. And then you'll have the D-ring, and then you'll have the screw. So ideally for this bag, I wanted to put the D-ring around the hooks here on the bag to, again, prevent the stress of the strap on the bags. I want the D-ring to kind of hang on the end of the bag for me, like here. So it'll kind of look like that underneath. And we'll just take the D-ring, put it on the bag so it kind of looks like this. And it's important when you get these D-rings that you get the right size for this. So we'll take the screw and we'll slide it through like that, making sure it connects on the other end. Like once you do it, it's super easy, but it can be tedious when you first do it. And then you just screw it. Use the screwdriver and you screw it, the D-ring. And you tighten it. And then this is what it will look like. So it's really secure and it's tight and it won't move around the bag and it doesn't create stress on the bag. So that's first D-ring and that's what it kind of looks like. So let's put the other one on. Okay, so now that both D-rings are on the bag, kind of looks like that on the case. So it kind of gives it a nice clean look. It doesn't mess up the bag at all. So the strap, just attach the strap on the actual D-rings, and not the bag itself to prevent any damage. So it just goes like that. Super simple. And there you have the crossbody kind of style bag. And with this strap, it is adjustable, so you can make it short or long. And it looks like that. And you can even kind of carry it with like that. This is an option if you want to carry the bag as a crossbody bag without damaging it and sacrificing the integrity of the bag. So after adding the strap, this is how it looks. And with this strap that I found, it is adjustable. It can be really, really long or really, really short. It just really depends on your preference. You can even carry it like really, really short, or if you like, you can let the chain kind of dangle over top of the bag like so, and still carry it like top handle. I like that option as well. So I do like the option of wearing this as a crossbody. I will probably do more top handle than anything, but the crossbody option is always a good thing. I love when I can get a bang for my buck and a 2 for 1. So I love the crossbody option, and with the D-ring, not sacrificing the bag, that's always a good choice. We do not want to ruin the leather and the integrity of the bag. I'm not too much worried about like resale value and the damage with it because this is mine. I don't plan to sell it. It will be in my collection. It will be in my collection, I promise. So not too much worried about that. So, but yeah, I do like the option of the D-ring on there because it just makes it look a little bit more clean and finished. So yeah, even with the chain, with the added embellishments, I mean, she is a beauty. Okay, she was already gorgeous before, but now she's a total babe. Okay, she's a total babe. Guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, ciao.